Oh, it's always such a good feeling to be here. There's a very warm welcome. The colleagues are amazing. Everyone is positive, motivated and excited, and it's always a pleasure to be here. We have a clear task to be the leader in polymer 3D printing and to transition the industry into manufacturing. And that requires the focus on not only printers, but really the material ecosystem, the software that is being used, and the easy connectivity and integration of our solutions into production floor.
So far, I think it's been really good. I'm very impressed by the setup of the facility, the display of all the Stratasys technology. This is a really fantastic day. I think the event is going very well. I think the room is packed. Really impressive event. A lot of customer, really good interaction. I'm looking forward to speak more with the customer during the day.
Really good to see how the thinking of SYS matches up to the market needs and see some of the projects that the end-use customers are taking part in.
I find it very interesting, especially the information on the 450, which is the next machine I'm looking for our company, especially the nylon 12. I knew a bit about it anyway, but it's really opened my eyes up to how far we can go with that material.
Because obviously with Stratasys onboarding different technologies, so the stereolithography, the P3 and the SAF, the powder base, there's a lot of existing customers that didn't know what those machines were capable of and what they've added to our portfolio. So hopefully with what we've shown with SAF, FDM, Polyjet, P3, stereolithography has helped widen their application use cases that they can actually do.
I can see the relevance of the technology and where Stratasys are in terms of the technology and in terms of being benefit to their customers.
It's been very enjoyable, very interesting. I've enjoyed my time. Lots of nice machines to look at, and it's very good mixing with everybody and learning what's coming and what new things are happening.
Some very interesting new machines and new technologies that we're certainly going to be taking a closer look at, for sure. Yeah.
Very good engagement overall, and quite nice to get to see people that the users as me interested also in the technology offered by Stratasys.
We're looking at things like rapid production of tooling and prototyping, so we're very interested in the new technology that you've got for this machine behind me.
Yes, so this has been very interesting, looking at the different technologies that we can now perhaps change across to from Polyjet to FDM to see which one's going to work better for us going forward.
It's I call it a mini trade show. It's been done very professionally by the SYS team. Everything was well organized, laid out, so kudos to SYS.